SOTA XD Users Manager. You can easily add users into your SOTA XD company account without the complicated procedures or waiting for technical assistance. Control their access level, determine the modules they can view or edit. Users Manager also includes robust role access levels to differentiate access and viewing privileges of your company account. From XD Home, click on Users Manager. Users Manager is located on the sidebar menu. Next, the right section will display a list of users with some user details. If you never added any users, only the admin account will be shown here. For user details, you can view the user's email, name, together with date and time of the last update. Also included are the Edit and Remove button. Users Manager also comes with the search tools to help you find your user. This is helpful if you have a large number of users in your company account. How to add user into your company account. From the user list, click on Add User. The User Add window will appear. Type in the new user's email address and click on Search button. From here, there are 3 possible conditions that you will encounter. First is the User Not Found error. This means that your user is not a valid user in passport.sotanetwork.com. Second, the User Company Exists error. This shows that the email you entered earlier belongs to an existing user already registered under your company account. Finally, if there are no errors, the user details will be shown on the Profile Details section. Click Add User to Company button to continue. Next, click Yes on the confirmation prompt. The next User Add window will appear. Here, you can view profile details, notification list, and role access. Profile Details contains users' information extracted from passport.sotanetwork.com. Next, you can add notification list to a user. Click on the green plus sign to select notification from the list of XD module. Click Done when you have finished selecting notifications. And finally, determine the level of access for the user, or known here as role access. Click on the drop-down menu and select role access for the user. By default, all of the XD module will be set to no access. Selecting other than no access means that the user will be allowed to log in and access the selected modules. Once you have done selecting the role access, click on Save button. Click Yes on the confirmation prompt. At this stage, the user is already added to the user list. Close this window and return to Users Manager. How to edit user details. Identify a user and click on the user's Edit button. These will open the User Edit window. Here, you can edit your user details. You can edit notification list. And then add or modify user's role access. When you have done with editing, click on Save button to store your changes. On the confirmation prompt, click Yes. Finally, close the User Edit window. How to remove the user. Identify a user and click the User's Remove button. Next, on the confirmation prompt, click Yes. The user will be removed and no longer allowed to access the company account. However, the user's SOTA passport can still be used. How to perform search on User's Manager. Click the search entry field. Next, type in the search word and click on the magnifier icon. The search result will be displayed on the right section. You can also use options to help you narrow down your search result to a specific order. This is helpful if you have a large number of users on your company account. You can change the listing order, either ascending or descending. You can also set the list to show according to email, or first name, last name, or by the user's last update. Or simply just by active or inactive users. Use this button to flip through the user list pages.